Now I'm going to do a cold start on my 2007 F350 6.0 liter powerstroke. It was, last night it got 5 degrees below zero, and it was not plugged in. Wasn't plugged in at all. Right now it is 24 degrees outside. I didn't start up too bad, I don't think. Of course, the typical 6.0 liter, they are noisy when they start. The high idle should kick in here before too long. The screw is cold, there's snow in the exhaust. We had blowing snow all night long. In places it's drifted 3 to 4 feet. In other places there's hardly any. I think in the yard, we've had about 13 or 14 inches. There it goes. Trying to. I think it takes probably 2 minutes or so for the high idle to kick in. Okay, it's got to get the oil. It's got to lube everything up. There it goes. Gets kicked up. See if I can get the hood open. Oh! Got all banks under the hood. Got bank ram air and bank high ram air. I love this truck, it's a beast. Got the FX4 off-road package, 20-inch wheels. Okay, that's all.